Hello everyone, it's Sav Exposure, and today I'm going to show you something crazy, something different, something that's current and happening in the world right now. Forest fires, as you can see. I'm currently in the Bay Area, California. Super foggy. Well, it's not even foggy at this point. It's just we're just covered in smoke. There's a little bit of ash that's dropping. Something got in my eyes. That's how I know. Should probably have on some goggles or something. It's just super crazy. I've never seen anything like this in my life. If any of you guys watch anime, there's always a day like this where it's the end of times or the changing of tide. Yeah, this is absolutely just crazy. I mean, these are the times we're in. Forest fires, a pandemic, this a weird and uncertain time to live in and be in. And I just kind of wanted to talk about some of that. When people, try to dismiss global warming and everything going on, I mean, you can't dismiss this. The proof's in the pudding, the proof's in the air. The air quality is terrible. I don't even think I have the right mask on. I need to have the other one, go get one of those. So we have to change our mask out here. One that's kept us for, filtering the air and breathing. This one's supposed to protect us from the coronavirus. So at this point, we pretty much have to be double masked up. So just eerie times, super uncertain. For all those who are questioning global warming and what's going on in the world, I mean, look at this. We're covered in smog. It is 9:22 a.m. The sun should be bright. The birds should be chirping. Can't see the sun. The sun hasn't been in sight for the past 2 days or so. We've just been covered in smoke. You can smell in your house. You can't escape it. You can't get away from it. It's something that's capturing of you, your whole household. You really shouldn't. They say don't turn your AC on. But the crazy thing about that is out here we've been having, in California as a whole, not only the Bay Area, we've been having an extreme heat wave. We're talking about the past couple of days it was 111, then 105, and yesterday was 100. So it's been so hot. And we haven't even really been able, or not supposed to, turn our AC on because it's supposed to compromise our health and the air quality. So we've just been really stuck in a pickle. And like I said, just some crazy times to be in. Super weird. I'm gonna try to give you guys some more footage and capture some more areas around the Bay Area and kind of show you what's going on, because this is absolutely nuts and the craziest thing ever. So it's going on about 11 o'clock, and I just want to give you guys an idea of what it looks like in our house. So I'm going to turn off the light and you'll see how it looks. So as you can see, it is pretty much pitch black in all of our houses with the lights off. Yeah, so this is pretty much how it looks. That's my laptop shining. So it's pretty much pitch black if you don't have your lights on in the house. It's daytime, it's 11 a.m. The sun should be shining and bright. But we just kind of have this orange tint that comes through our windows. It's really little the light that comes out. As you can see, I've got the drone out, DJI Mavic Mini, flying in through the clouds. Trying to get you guys some good footage. Risking my own health and fresh air for it. So make sure you like and subscribe, please. Even if you don't like the video, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything to support. But in the meantime, in between time, when it's not green time, as the smoke comes a mist, and I shoot this a bliss. I don't know, I'm just writing the guys, but I'm gonna send this bad boy up and let you guys see some footage from that. All right. the sun right there, this little red glowing dot is the sun. We're not getting any light from it. It's absolutely smoke. This is not fog. This is just smoke that we're surrounded in. We're up here in the Oakland hills. You can just see it's just covered in smoke. You can smell, it's a very strong smell. It's just crazy out here. Just wanted to kind of show you guys some different footage from different areas. So I'm gonna do Oakland, I'm gonna do Berkeley, and I'm gonna do Richmond. Show you different areas and how they're affected, how it looks. The air quality is terrible, so yeah, don't mind me if I sound out of breath or short gas. Just kind of give you guys a view. Up here, usually you can see the whole Bay Area of the city. We're here at Grizzly Peak. But as of right now, you can't see anything but the smoke. So we are here at Indian Rock, just to kind of show you the smoke that's going on. Indian Rock is in Berkeley, so just kind of give you a view of Berkeley, a little bit of El Cerrito and Richmond over here. Oakland's in the background. Usually from this viewpoint, this vantage point, you can see almost the whole Bay Area. See San Francisco, Oakland, Richmond, you know, all that. But as of right now, you can't really see anything. Just goes to show, you know, how bad the smoke is here. And like how I keep saying, this isn't fog, this is smoke. We're just covering in like this smog of death. Richmond, California, the Richmond, not Virginia, California, like I said. Showing you guys the view at the Richmond Landing. I'm out here doing the movie, you know, going crazy with them. So, just trying to give you guys different views of what's going on. You see, still no sunlight. The sun is red, orange. Get the sun. It's almost pink. It's kind of beautiful. So now we're out here in Hercules, California. You can see it's the brightest the day is going to get. The lightest the day will be for the most part. It's about 2 o'clock out here. Yeah, you can kind of see we're still covered in this smog. It's dim lights. It looks like we're in Seattle or something. All this smoke. But I got some great shots of Hercules on my drone. You guys can check out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
really just want to take a second and stop and talk about nature, how endangered our natural state is. You see all these forest fires, all these things going on in our ecosystems. It's not natural, it's not right. Nature has no fault, us humans do. So we need to really take the time to step it up and be able to preserve our own lives. Right? You know, trees give us oxygen. It's a circle of life that we need to protect, we need to honor. So when you're in your hustle bustle life, you're going up the road, just try to remember these things. Don't take it for granted, because it might not be here one day. It might not be here for your kids. You have to take these things and be thankful.
But yeah, we out here, man. You can see it's crazy out here in the Bay. That ends this little vlog series of the smoke and fog and fires and the weather in the Bay Area. Love, peace, and hair grease. Like and subscribe. Even if you don't like the video, subscribe. It's free. I'm starting to get a whole bunch of soot and dust on me. Time to take a shower. Like and subscribe. Savage Soldier.